Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to accept one fact. The iPhone XR has no built-in night mode, so you'll simulate it. First, update iOS and open your chosen app. Mount the phone on a tripod or steady surface and set a 2-3 second timer so button press won't blur the shot. Then pick an exposure mode and set ISO manually if available. This gives you control over noise versus brightness. Once done, you're ready to capture a long exposure, low-light frame. You'll now dial in the capture. Set a shutter between 1 and 4 seconds to gather light, lower the ISO to 100-400 to reduce noise, and raise it only if the image is too dark. Tap and hold to lock focus on a bright edge, then recompose without unlocking focus, because focus shift ruins long exposures. If the app supports RAW, enable it so you can recover shadow detail later. Also, bracket 2 or 3 exposures to ensure one clean, sharp result. Once you review the photo at full size, check for motion blur and excessive noise. If it's sharp but dark, increase shutter time a step. If it's noisy, lower ISO and open exposure time or stack multiple frames. Edit RAW files with noise reduction and exposure recovery to reveal detail. If frames are blurred, make sure the tripod is solid and disable wind-affected surfaces. As a final troubleshooting tip, try a 5/10 timer and a remote shutter or headphone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.